Okay, see, 5 techniques you will have to follow, okay, in order to get your ideas. How? Listening, very important. Ears. Listening involving ears, ठीक है ना. We listen by the help of our ears. ये काम हमारे ears कर रहे होते हैं. तो आपने क्या कहना है? Be attentive. Try to be a good listener. Try to listen. Good speakers. ठीक है. Speakers. Then news. Then talk shows. All these things are going to help you to collect ideas. When you listen attentively, carefully to good speakers, English news, talk shows, you will be able to get ideas, knowledge, information, new updates. You will be updated. Next, reading. By the help of reading, you can get ideas. Reading from what? Books, magazines, newspapers. So reading from books, magazines, papers can be helpful for you to get ideas, knowledge, new information, stuff, material. You can collect so much stuff by reading books, good books related to any topic. Try to read books as much as you can. Next, brainstorming. What is brainstorming? It is actually a process of formulating ideas in your mind. Your brain, your mind does this specific task, storming. Every time, in each and every, you can say the single moment of your life, your brain is working. It is active. You are passive perhaps, but your brain, your mind is not inactive. It is doing its work every time. What your brain or mind is doing, it's brainstorming. It's formulating ideas. Ideas can be necessary, unnecessary, related to your any life event or moment. Your brain is doing its work. So brainstorming is the main tool to get ideas, to formulate ideas, to assemble ideas, to gather ideas. अपने माइंड को इस्तेमाल में लेके आए. इसमें जो आइडियाज़ आ रहे होते हैं ना, डोंट लेट देम गो वेस्ट. उनको डस्टबिन की नज़र मत करें, ठीक है. अपने तमाम आइडियाज़ को अपनी माइंड में एक बुक बना लें और उसमें डालते जाएं, डालते जाएं, डालते जाएं. नेक्स्ट, फीलिंग्स. फीलिंग्स में क्या इन्वॉल्व होता है? योर हार्ट. Just like brain, our heart is active. Every moment of your life, heart is doing what? It is feeling. It has emotions. It can feel any of your feeling. Your external moments, your external events, external happenings, everything is leaving effect on your heart in the form of feelings, emotions. So when your heart is active, why? you are passive, you can take help by the feelings, emotions of your heart. ठीक है, अपने माइंड की थॉट से और अपने हार्ट की फीलिंग से हेल्प लें, जितनी ज़्यादा आप ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये दोनों तो काम कर रहे हैं. आप पैसिव हो सकते हो, ठीक है, आप में कमियां हो सकती हैं, लेकिन ये दोनों जो है ना अल्लाह ने आपको दिए, इनमें कोई कमी नहीं है, ये अपना काम कर रहे हैं. What will you have to do? You just have to avail your these senses in the right moment. Next, fifth one, observation. Observation is what? A sense which enables you to pinpoints, to have a minute look around your surroundings. Have a check upon your surroundings, happenings, whatever is going around you. And you observe by the help of your eyes. ठीक है, ये वो सेंसेस हैं हमारी जो हर वक्त एक्टिव होती हैं. So, by the help of your eyes, whatever you see, whatever you look around yourself, whatever you observe, try to capture, try to make your observations your thought, the power of your pen. So, be good observer. Observe करें अपनी हैपनिंग्स, अपनी जो आपके सराउंडिंग में हैपनिंग्स हो रही हैं अराउंड योर सेल्फ, व्हाट इज गोइंग थ्रू, आप उसको ऑब्जर्व करें. अपनी आइज को एक्टिव रखें, हर वक्त अटेंटिव रहें. सो लिसनिंग, रीडिंग, ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, फीलिंग्स, ऑब्जर्वेशन, these all features, techniques or tools make you able to get ideas in the better sense, best form. So avail yourself with these tools, with these techniques. Next question is this. Now you have ideas. Okay, it's done. Next step is how to express your ideas. आइडियाज को आप एक्सप्रेस कैसे करेंगे? दिस वेरी थिंग मेक्स आवर स्टूडेंट्स puzzled. They lose their confidence, they get puzzled, they get have a feeling of terror, or you can say the fear of judgment, fear of assessment. Someone can pinpoint their faults or drawbacks or shortcomings or negative points. So if someone is having good ideas, material or stuff about particular topic or specific topic, he is assigned to speak or write, how can someone express? So we have a good practice upon speaking and writing on both forms, oral and written form, spoken and written form at the same time. Speaking, writing. You should be master of speaking or master in spoken form of English, or at the same time you should be a master of writing. ऐसे ही है ना? You should be master at this both tools or features. Spoken English. Your spoken should be good, or at the same time your written should be good. Okay? ताकि आपके पास जब भी टॉपिक आपको असाइन किया जाए तो आप पजल ना हो एटलीस्ट. So, what you have to do to make your spoken better, to make your written form better, what you have to do? See, you yourself topic. ठीक है?